Okay, guys, so we are sitting next to someone who is the definition of a desi baddie. She's a CEO, businesswoman, actor, model, the Malkin of her life, and I think pretty much the Malkin of our lives as well, with all of her business ventures. Welcome to Yuva, Parul.
Thank you so much, Simran. You're so kind. It was a nice intro.
I want to
Thanks.
ask you, Parul Gulati, are you a fan of Gulati kebabs?
Breaking news, I am a vegetarian gulati. So I go to vegetarian gulatis if I go to Delhi gulatis.
Cute. Okay. So tell me, you started all these ventures in India. You have opened so many boutiques, and your hair extensions basically started here, and then you opened up in Dubai. So tell me, how's the market in Dubai like compared to India's?
So I think hair loss is something that is everywhere. And I'm catering mainly to Indians and brown people. So I guess the questions, the query stays the same no matter where you are. But what worked for me in Dubai was doing a lot of these pop-ups before I identified that that is my market. And it worked out, it turned out well, I guess. Yeah.
So Dubai's market, like, is it similar to India's market, or is it quite different? Like the demographic you get there?
100% you get the access to the world because everyone's coming and living there. But in my case, because I appeal mainly to Indians, Pakistanis, Arab women, so they end up coming more to the stores. Nepalese women, Sri Lankan, so that kind of Asia I'm capturing, and Asian women mainly, which I would not get the access staying here.
Why did you pick Dubai to expand to apart from India?
It was a lot of these pop-ups where numbers were there, and when numbers speak for itself, you don't want to miss out on that number game.
That's true. And you are one to really uplift those around you. Like you've been doing it constantly, be it with your business, the way you speak to them, the way you interact. So why is that important to you?
Well, I think when you come from a smaller town, you always wish कि आप scout हो जाओ, आपको कोई choose कर ले, आपके लिए कोई कुछ कर दे. In a way, it happened with me. I got selected on Facebook as how I became an actress. In 2010, I got my message on Facebook. So just imagine. So that happening, then with my business, I just getting the idea and me working on it worked out so well. So I felt like when you come as an outsider, the one thing that I can give back is build other people with me, whether it is small businesses, whether it's new content creators. I feel like somebody gave me a chance and everybody deserves a chance. So if I see anybody who's really like a hustler and trying to build something from scratch, I love to support them. It's something that gives me joy.
That's so sweet. So why do you think it's so important for all these youngsters to follow a career that is purposeful and that it gives them a sense of drive and not just a 9 to 6 job that they just select to pay the bills?
Wow, I was just discussing this in the morning. When you start doing a job, it becomes a comfort space after a point because आपकी इन्वेस्टमेंट इतनी बड़ी नहीं होती जॉब में, आपका वक्त ही आपकी इन्वेस्टमेंट होती है, राइट? और बिजनेस में बहुत स्ट्रेस होता है, हज़ार चीज़ें होती हैं, लेकिन आप अपने बॉस होते हैं. सो देर आर बोथ द थिंग्स हैव देयर ओन साइड्स टू इट, बट सम पीपल लव टू वर्क बट सम ऑल्सो गेट ट्रैप्ड इन इट बिकॉज द पे गेट्स बेटर एवरी ईयर एंड you are like कि चलो अब यहीं सही हैं, कहाँ से शुरू करें. So that is also one thing. It's a conversation one has. Would you like to start a business of your own, if I may ask you?
Eventually, I think so. Yeah.
Would you enjoy the job?
Would I enjoy the job? Am I
Do I enjoying the job or whatever
now?
work you do?
Yeah. So I mainly wanted to ask, so when these youngsters now that they graduate and they apply for jobs, what's more important, them choosing something that they're passionate about or something that pays well? If they're at the crossroad of picking between two.
That's a very good question. I see it as if you get to be in a job right after college, because somewhere you should work to get some experience, it gets easier and you understand your calling, but not get trapped in it कि हाँ ठीक है सिर्फ salary ही अच्छी है और learning नहीं है, because that's when you need to snap back. But I agree, and you have to give it. In India, a lot of people run their own houses, so आपको वो इनकम चाहिए होती है, रेगुलर इनकम,
Yeah.
जबकि खुद के बिजनेस में या सिर्फ ड्रीम्स फॉलो करने में वो रेगुलर इनकम फ्लो नहीं आता है.
Yeah.
बिजनेस में आता है, बट इट ऑल्सो कम्स विद अ लॉट ऑफ रिस्क and a lot of stress. So if you truly feel like it, you can do it, then 100% go for it. But even just 1%, because especially when you're so young, you do something and you give it your all and वो work नहीं होता, and that also traumatizes young kids a lot.
Yeah.
So I would say first work, identify what is working for you, and then go for the kill, which is with starting your business.
That's a fair point. And now with the trend, right? Like people saying, get into business, become an entrepreneur, start something of your own. That's where the money is. I think a lot of youngsters are getting influenced in that route, but it's not as easy as you guys make it seem, right? Like start a business, lead a business. What all goes behind the scenes? Tell us.
A lot of sleepless nights, crying, chatting with chat GPT. It all comes with when you start your own business. होते हैं, बहुत रोना होता है.
Has ChatGPT become your therapist?
100%, कि चैट जीपीटी हमेशा अवेलेबल है ना, और वापस मुझे क्वेश्चंस नहीं पूछ रहा होता चैट जीपीटी, राइट. और दोस्त एडवाइस भी देने लग जाते हैं जो कि तुम तो ये क्यों नहीं कर लेती. चैट जीपीटी, यस आई एग्री विद यू, इट वैलिडेट्स मी इंस्टेंटली. बट speaking about, yes, you get a lot of freedom when you have your own business, and I think being your own malik and malkin is something else. It gives you wings, but also it gives you sleepless nights, and बहुत stress होता है यार कभी कभी. आप, मैं यहाँ मुझे मोटिवेट करने के लिए बुलाया था, मैं शायद डीमोटिवेट कर रही हूँ. मेरे को देखो 9 साल हो गए अब बिजनेस करते हुए. रोज मुझे लगता है मैं ही बेवकूफ़ हूँ जो बिजनेस शुरू किया. किसने मुझे कहा था बिजनेस शुरू करने के लिए.
And it's not just niche hair, right? You have your own Airbnb in Goa. So what made you, like take on so many projects?
So I'm ADHD, और मैं 4 चीज़ों में अपनी अटेंशन डाल सकती हूँ बहुत easily. So what happens with me is कि I get joy out of doing 4 things at once and seeing instant results. It gives me, like, it's my high. And so मेरा जो गोल है, मैं क्या बनना चाहती हूँ, देखो मैं रतन टाटा जितना बड़ा बनना चाहती हूँ. मेरा सपना वो है. और अगर आप उन्हें देखें, उनका ट्रेजेक्ट्री देखें, उन्होंने क्या काम किया अपने पूरे जीवन में, वो शुरू हुआ, मतलब आप उन्हें सड़क पे भी देख रहे हैं, टाटा के ट्रक चल रहे हैं, ज़बान में स्वाद में भी वही है, नमक, हम उनकी बिजली भी इस्तेमाल करते हैं. तो जब उन्होंने खुद को लिमिट नहीं किया, उन्होंने इतना बड़ा एम्पायर बनाया, बस मुझे उतना ही बड़ा एम्पायर बनाना है. तो ये शुरुआत है कि हॉस्पिटैलिटी भी करनी है, बिजनेस भी, जो समझ आ रहा है, जो मैं बेच सकती हूँ, जो मैं समझा सकती हूँ, जिसकी फीलिंग मैं खुद से आप तक ला सकती हूँ, वो सब मैं करूँगी. अगर कल को मुझे पानी बनाना है और बेचना है, मैं शायद वो भी करूँगी. अब खरीदेंगे नहीं आप, वो आपकी चॉइस है.
So what's next in line for you? Have you thought of something, a project that you want to get into after everything is stabilized?
It's not very inspiring. I want to have my own reality show, because I have a prediction that bigger stars are going to come from reality. And how times are changing always. अब ये बेवकूफ़ एडवाइस भी हो, या बेवकूफ़ थिंकिंग भी हो सकती है, बट मुझे अभी रोज़ आप उठते हो ना, एक नया आइडिया आता है. अभी आई एम वर्किंग मोर ऑन IPs. आई वॉन्ट टू मेक सर्टन IPs, बिकॉज माई ब्रांड इज सच अ कॉन्टेंट फर्स्ट. आपने मेरा कॉन्टेंट पहले देखा है, फिर मेरा प्रोडक्ट देखा है. सो I am developing a few more IPs, and let's see where it goes.
I love that. I love the sound. What do you have a name keeping up with Parul Gulati?
अभी के लिए तो एक इंस्टा पेज है which is very embarrassing. आप लोग ये नाम रखेंगे नहीं. It's called Bichitas. मैंने उसे परसों ही बनाया है.
Bichitas. Like fajitas.
No, like Bichitas, like
Bichitas.
bitchy girls.
Oh.
सो इट्स वन IP आई एम बिल्डिंग. बिकॉज नॉर्मली आप लड़कियों को देखते हो तो आपको ये लगता है कि लड़कियां तो बिची होंगी, वो तो झगड़े ही करती होंगी, तो मैं कहा चलो वही दिखा देते हैं. सो आई एम डूइंग दैट ऑन इंस्टा फर्स्ट, एंड इफ इट बिकम्स बिग it'll be maybe on Netflix you'll watch. I don't think they'll name it Vijitas, but whatever.
Speaking of bitchy girls, now the rise of women CEOs, it's huge in the last couple of years, pan India. So why do you think that is? Why are so many more women looking to get into businesses now, starting something of their own, and really leading and killing it in their fields?
Oh my God. So it goes back at least 20-30 years ago when men were like हमारी तो unfair advantage है, हम men हैं. और लड़कियों को प्रूव करना था. और उन्होंने लास्ट 10 साल में प्रूव करके दिखा दिया. आपका नायका लास्ट 10 साल में आया है, आपकी सारी बड़ी ब्रांड्स, बायोकॉन इज द वन, आई एम सॉरी इफ आई एम सेइंग इट wrong, Miss Majumdar's, because she's one of the self-made billionaires. Then your Falguni Nair is one of the self-made billionaires. हमारे इंडिया में सिर्फ apparently 3-4 ही self-made billionaires हैं, और ये इसलिए आ रहा है कि उन्हें करना था प्रूफ. और कहीं मुझे लगता है लड़कों ने थोड़ी बैक सीट ले ली कि हम तो लड़के हैं, मुझे मारना मत लड़कों प्लीज़ यहाँ से निकलने के बाद. ये मेरी अंडरस्टैंडिंग है. बीइंग अ गर्ल, you have more to prove. You have to hustle hard. You have to do 10 things. You have to run your house. You have to put on a suit and go give a talk like this and build the business and burn the midnight oil. You have to. And the thing happened कि अगर 100 लड़कियां सबकी 100 हसल कर रही थी, 90 सक्सीड हो गई. और वो हमारे सामने प्रूफ है. And I was seeing the list. There are so many women speakers today.
Yeah.
So that speaks for itself.
Yeah.
So let's hear it for the awesome Malkins. आदमी लोग मुझे मारना मत यहाँ से निकलने के बाद प्लीज. I love men. I really love men. But just
That's
women are
great.
better.
That's great. We don't advocate for feminism that's anti-men.
Of course.
Yes.
I mean, they need to be
Coexist.
exist
Yeah.
together to be who they are.
Synergize. How proud are you of all the things that you've achieved? If you had to say something to your younger self, you know, a 20-year-old Parul who was really struggling and I don't know, like confused about life, what would you tell her? How would you assure her?
Oh my God. I would tell the little Parul that you will achieve everything and more that you ever wanted. I remember when I was 23, तभी निशहर नया ही शुरू हुआ था. I was reading this book called Magic. उसके अंदर I don't know कितने लोगों ने पढ़ी है book Magic. ओके किसी ने भी नहीं पढ़ी. बड़ी कूल बुक है, वो पढ़ना है. जस्ट टीचेस यू हाउ टू बी ग्रेटफुल. तो उसके अंदर आपको वो कहते हैं फेक चेक होता है विच यू राइट टू द यूनिवर्स. मुझे निशहर से सिर्फ 10 लाख रुपए कमाने थे उस उम्र में. सो मैं उस पारुल को कहना चाहूँगी तुम 10 लाख नहीं, तुम 100 करोड़ कमाओगी और छोटा मत सोचो. So
Goosebumps moment, honestly, I'm getting goosebumps right now. I love that.
So yeah, aim for the stars. इतना बड़ा मांगो यूनिवर्स से. I'm telling you, आपको उससे करीब तो मिल ही जाता है. So I know मैं शुरुआत में कह रही थी बिजनेस चलाना बहुत मुश्किल है मुश्किल. लेकिन अगर आप बिलीव करते हो और आप चाहते हो ना कि आप 10,000 करोड़ की कंपनी बनाना चाहते हो, वो होगा. क्योंकि आप बिलीव करते हो खुद में, और बहुत मेहनत लगती है और हार्ट ब्रेक्स होते हैं.
Yeah, it's not just the I don't chase, I attract and just sit there. मेहनत तो करना ही पड़ेगा.
बहुत.
Thank you. That was so inspiring. Last question is, now being an influencer in India, सब संभव है? How is it like?
Sorry?
Being an influencer in India, how is it? Is it सब संभव है?
Is there some line I have to?
Yeah, like is everything good? Everything great being an influencer in India? Like what's it like?
सब संभव है. अगर आप करते हैं तो सब संभव है. हम देखते हैं कि कितने क्रिएटर्स हैं जिनके खुद के अब विंग्स हैं और वो फ्लाई कर रहे हैं. और आई मीन अभी हमारा बिल भी पास हुआ है विच इज़ अबाउट क्रिएटर्स, विच इज़ ग्रेट. सो इन्फ्लुएंसर होना एंड कंटेंट क्रिएटर होना इज़ व्हाट यू आस्किंग कि उनके लिए सब संभव है. हाँ, उनका वक्त है ये. एंड लोग, आई थिंक दे लुक अप टू देम मोर. दे वांट टू they're more relatable क्योंकि वो कुछ नहीं थी और वो कुछ बने हैं आपकी नज़रों के सामने, तो आप उनसे ज़्यादा रिलेट करते हैं, आप सोचते हैं और चाह भी रखते हैं कि हम भी उनके जैसे बन सकते हैं, और बन रहे हैं लोग. कितने लोगों के ड्रीम्स थे. I think Prajakta Kohli was one of the person, Bhuvan Bam. They started so early, and that time people were like YouTubers, and then they're like, we need these people to headline our shows and start brands or be the face of our brands, which is so killer.
It is killer. Now let's move on to the hair transformations that you wanted to do.
Oh
to
yes,
the
I was
crowd.
enjoying the talk with you, Simran. I'm sorry I was a little scattered here and there, but I'm having so much fun chatting with you.
Thank you. Same here. So
Yes.
you want to select?
Can I call you here?
Shall we have her sit here?
Oh yes, please. Do you want to sit here?
What do you guys think? She's gonna
What's
put
your
on
name?
bangs,
Zia.
extensions.
Zia.
Yeah, Zia.
Zia, have you colored your hair ever? It looks like virgin hair, very pretty. Okay, if I was to add highlights to your hair, how would you like it?
How would I like it? Like, do you want to
Okay, I'll just put highlights in your hair and then we'll show it to you. Do you have your phone?
No, right, no.
It's okay, I'll show you on my phone.
Sure.
So those of you who don't know what is Nish Hair, I make human hair extensions and I make every girl's dream come true with hair, whether it's hair loss, whether it's color, or whether it's length, volume, because that's something, yeah, girls need to take care of, and hair means confidence to girls. So let's try if I can do that for you. Can I do for you also, Simran, after this? So you have these highlights.
It looks really nice. Very cute.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. It looks really nice.
It's yours.
Thank you. Very nice to meet you.
Same here.
And it looks so natural. I love it. Look at her. You've made her into a diva.
Yeah.
I love these scouting sessions.
I was just trying to match the hair color. Oh, okay. What's your name?
My name is Abija.
Abhija, how are you?
Hi.
What do you do? Are you studying? So I'm going to quickly do a bun hairstyle for her. Sorry, can I turn you, please? Yeah, I'm just going to turn you a little. You can give it a count. Anybody, any girl, guy, they want to count and see how quickly a hairstyle is possible with this. Does it feel like tele shopping, guys? So ये है मेरा डोनट क्रंची. आप काउंट कर सकते हैं 1 से 10 में और इनके बाल बन जाएंगे.
Oh, nice! Less than 10 seconds. 8 seconds.
आप ही खरीद सकते हैं nishair.com पे. इस पे ऑफर सिर्फ 10 मिनट तक लागू है. आप कॉल करिए.
Does she get to keep this?
Of course.
मैम आप देख नहीं सकती हैं, लेकिन मैं आपसे पूछना चाहता हूँ कि आपको कैसा महसूस हो रहा है कि मालकिन ने आपके बाल बनाए हैं?
बहुत अच्छा. Like I'm not someone who experiments with my hair a lot, so yeah,
Okay.
it's like something new for me.
But guess what? Not only one, but you get two hairstyles. She's going to get you another look, which again you can't see. So
Oh,
sorry.
very nice.
But let your friends see it, guys. Why don't you? But इतना ठंडा रिस्पॉन्स नहीं देना आपको जोरदार तालियां बजाइए पहले so that she knows that she is looking spectacular. Are you happy? Are you happy? झूठ मत बोलना.
I'm very happy with it. I'm like.
You're getting to keep this.
Thank you so much.
So be
I
honest,
love
like,
it actually. Yeah.
lovely. Do we have somebody else as well who can get it done? Okay, we'll do it with Simran as well. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you very much. You also carry this with us. She's gonna test it on you as well, Simran, since you have, had such a detailed conversation about hair.
on your hair.
Let's do
What
it.
are we doing?
Colored highlights.
And when are you launching a range for men?
We already have. Just men don't read and listen, no?
Maybe you have not done enough reels. Maybe reach out to a creator, pay them. Maybe.
अरे यार उसके लिए मुझे गंजे क्रिएटर चाहिए. गंजे क्रिएटर कैमरा पे नहीं आते ब्रो.
Okay, then I don't want that. Thank you very much. I'm out. I don't want to attract that.
Okay, so we are adding a quick highlight in your hair.
We have somebody who is proud of his crown.
Oh, bang it!
Lovely. Thanks for being such a sport, man. Thank you very much. Thank you. See? मांगना चाहिए पारुल, मांगना चाहिए, सब मिलता है. हमारे पास मॉडल इन्फ्लुएंसर रेडी था.
Ask and you'll receive.
We'll connect you with him after this segment. Now what we are doing with her is something that you can explain.
I'm adding highlights for her as well, and she'll get to see it.
Okay. We'll have to do it quickly because we also have graphologists also who will decode your handwriting. And
hold this?
Simran, if you can hold this for us. And the magic begins. Again, you can cheer her up, guys. Love that. Do you like it, Simran?
It's cute. I love it. Feel like an actor. I love it.
All of us are actors. We are all acting to be happy, right?
Talk about yourself, bro. I'm very happy in life.
Okay, well, that was a lovely session. Now we'll also have a graphologist. Please come on the stage and have that reading for Parul. And I'll leave it to you, Simran. Go ahead.
Hello. And we meet again.
Do you have a mic?
Yeah.
That's a mic, right? Parul,
Oh, sorry.
You excited?
I'm
I'm
a little
sure.
nervous.
Really?
If you're gonna say the truth.
Okay. So, lots of things. Okay. This is one sample, even though 4 lines. But one thing I can say is the people surrounding you have a gala time. Like she's a pamperer, spoiler for the people who are super close to her. And even though on the outside we see a very independent and ambitious woman, inside she has a world of her own. I think the hardest thing for you is to explain to people what is going on inside. And if there's something you would want to invent, is that somebody could peek into your ideas and just put it out there. Because during the day, I don't know, more than 1,000, 10,000, your ideas are also very eccentric, very wild. And
I agree, dude.
But
You're
it's
a
like-
mind reader with like handwriting. How's that possible?
and you know, if you're with her, it's like you can meet 10 people during one day.
Yeah, I'm psychotic, guys.
Not that way, but super spontaneous, super
I'm a split
spontaneous.
personality.
Structure is something that doesn't align with you much. It's like, let's be spontaneous. And if there is an investor on board, oh my God, the best person to invest in, because it's a factory of ideas. Right? And excellent when it comes to working in emergency situations.
Oh, I'm firefighting all the time.
All the
Oh
time.
my God.
And that is something like, as a message, I would also say that she does look very cheerful, but super hard on herself. And there you can take it easy, no?
Yeah, I should.
Yes. So rest we can take it off stage.
That's
There's so much.
so cool.
Thank you so
Guys,
much.
whoever
Thank you.
hired her deserves a raise here, okay? Whoever that person is, clap for yourself.
Thank you. See, I said she's a people's person.